Special thanks to our sponsors Acronis, Be Quiet, Kioxia, and LG for sending us to Las Vegas, Nevada for CES 2023.
All right, family, we're back here. We're at iBuyPower. Yes, I said that correctly. We're at their suite here at CES in Las Vegas. We're here with Eric.
Oh, Eric.
Eric's gonna go over some of this case here today.
Did you steal that from us?
Well, it was outside, and I figured I would grab it real quick and make some content about it and how great it is.
I'm gonna have to take that back.
This is what I get for letting Jacob take care of intros on the channel. Jacob. I lost you, Jacob. Sorry.
Do you see this?
That's pretty sick. Not gonna lie.
All right. How much you want to bet? I'm not making this up. I just sent a video of this to my wife. How much do you want to bet this is my wife?
Yeah.
What's Papa Bear?
That's my dad, and not in a weird way. All right, Salazar family. We're back out here in Las Vegas. Same video, but we already did the intro, but we're just continuing on. They just got this PC in today, so we're here unveiling it.
And this is in the Y40, right?
Yes, this is the modified Y40.
Yep. So the new case from Hyte looks really clean.
This is the new case from Hyte, the Y40. They retrofitted different portions of other parts, and I think it really ties it all in. Like I said in the previous video.
Really ties it all in, right?
It really ties it in. Really ties it in. Salazar family for life. You're part of me, and
dude,
don't include that.
Yeah, it looks so good. Really like the way that looks. Oh, I think you even got like a matching like riser cable cover there up top. This is a pretty clean version. I can't remember. I know that Hyte sent us a Y40, but I don't recall which color it was. I think it was just the vanilla black one, but I'm kind of regretting that now because the red looks super good.
Big shout out to Eric. Eric was kind enough.
Hey.
Eric is helping us participate in a giveaway.
This was your idea?
Well, it is now. But what we're gonna do, Eric was kind enough to give us one of these Hydro Flask water bottles. I haven't opened it. I wanted to, but I didn't want to like break it in front of him.
Will.
All right, well, we're back out here.
You weren't supposed to open it. Sorry, the battery died.
So the battery died, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We don't make this stuff up either. It's not because my voice is super annoying. So this is what you have the chance of winning.
Nice.
This is
nice.
The Thick Daddy Hydro Flask by Hyte.
Nice.
This is banana yellow or school bus yellow, depending on which country you live in. So what we're gonna do, because I think school buses are different colors in other countries.
Okay. So
Does
what
that
are we
make
gonna?
sense?
No, it doesn't. Okay, so what are we gonna do?
All right, so we're all gonna sign it. This is a once in a lifetime chance right here, Salazar Studio family. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna sign it. Greg's gonna sign it. Will's gonna sign it.
Will, can you stop? That's not what you think. You can't just take this stuff. Okay.
And if Eric has a marker, Eric's gonna sign it too.
Nice.
I can sign it, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This is
I forgot, so I legally changed my name.
To what?
You fix that. Find out.
To
big boy.
McLovin?
No, something so much better.
Oh, you know. Make. Okay. Will, are you gonna be normal? Will's gonna be normal.
Will's not going to be normal.
He's signing with his left hand so that nobody can forge his signature. Okay.
Will's left-handed.
I'll sign it, but I can't.
Oh, here.
Oh, okay, it's on my wrist. It's on. You got it. This doesn't work. Yeah. Just keep going.
Yeah, Jeremy. Good luck filming this.
I'm the one editing these.
Okay.
Jeremy's not doing anything.
Jeremy's not editing this.
Oh, okay. I'll sign it right here in this big blank spot here. Boom, 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 boom. There's something like that. Looks pretty good, right?
It's like high school days.
Thanks.
Alex, who designs these fittings that Greg has been testing, he's the one that designed these awesome new fittings.
That's not going to focus at all.
Well, it's got those little shark teeth inside of them. Okay, I'm backing it up.
Anyway.
All right, so Eric, who's the designer of that, is going to sign this water bottle here.
Alex. No, there's Eric.
Alex. Go big, Alex. Oh my god.
That's good looking.
We gotta erase that. That's too good.
There's one more spot there. Yeah.
We got Stacy with
Hyte and iBuyPower.
Hyte and iBuyPower.
iBuyPower.
What'd I say?
You said buy power. I buy power.
We buy power here at iBuyPower. And we're signing this Hyte bottle. Stacy is.
this gonna be like our end credits on the
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, look at these smiles. You can't make this up here at Salazar Family Studios. All right, from our family to yours, this is Salazar Studio
Why do you always
representing.
videos?
Nobody ever says that, so it's really going to throw them off.
Thanks for watching, and thanks to Hyte for hosting us, and
Stay tuned for more videos.
a lot of cool stuff here.
Not
Yep.
with me in them. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance.
You guys are so lucky.
I can't even close this now.
See ya.